Watch me turn a bookshelf into a credenza. I found this bookshelf on the sidewalk, which means free. First, I needed to fix a chipped corner using a gap filler. I just love watching that stuff expand. Let's cut off the excess and sand it down until smooth. Looks like it wasn't even damaged. Spackle is perfect for filling in those holes and cracks you do not want. And yes, I still use a ruler to draw lines, but I need to be precise for this next part. I am taking a bunch of paint sticks I had laying around because it's normal, and I'm creating a cool pattern on what will now be the top of my credenza. Being precise is very important to make sure there are no random gaps, but on a side note, look how perfectly they fit together. So satisfying. Now, because everyone normally has junk they like to hide, I am making some doors using some planks of wood that I had cut to size. I am adding some burlap because I am going for a natural look, so no painting in this DIY. I wasn't a fan of the burlap edges, so I decided to use a border around the door to hide those imperfections. Look at me go, cutting all the excess from the paint stick. Full disclosure, it was my first time using that tool and it was not as easy as I imagined, so I switched over to something more familiar. I was holding my breath and almost passed out. Anyway, I lied, just a little spray paint here, but notice how I hung it and did it inside a box to make sure the paint didn't go everywhere, and that just means less cleaning up for later. Since these doors are made from scratch, I had to add some hinges, so I made sure to attach those bad boys on there real good. Last thing I want is my doors falling apart. As soon as I saw these legs, I knew I needed to use them at some point, and I think this is a perfect DIY. And all good things must come to an end, so just adding the finishing touches here and there, like the magnets and the chains for the doors. And there you have it, a damaged bookshelf turned into a stylish credenza. I just cannot believe how amazing this turned out. All it took was some wood glue, paint sticks, and the confidence to tackle a DIY project. Who needs a fancy furniture store when you can create something unique and one of a kind? Thanks for watching, flippers. Again, my name is Eduardo, your DIY best friend, tackling one furniture piece at a time. Catch us again next Monday for an exciting flip that comes with a mysterious story. Only on Flip, a series by Blossom. See you then!